Welcome to Learn English Plus. In today's video, there are some English quizzes to test your knowledge and improve your English skills. Let's get started. He, English at school. He studies English at school. He, a lot of books. He reads a lot of books. They, dinner together. They have dinner together. He, his homework now. He does his homework now. The cat, on the windowsill. The cat sleeps on the windowsill. They, basketball after school. They play basketball after school. He, his breakfast early in the morning. He eats his breakfast early in the morning. He, his homework last night. He finished his homework last night. He, to the store twice a week. He goes to the store twice a week. The birds, in the trees. The birds chirp in the trees. We, our friends on the weekend. We visit our friends on the weekend. He, his shoes before entering the house. He takes off his shoes before entering the house. He, his homework yesterday. He did his homework yesterday. The baby, when he's hungry. The baby cries when he's hungry. They, the bus to school every morning. They take the bus to school every morning. He, his breakfast before leaving for work. He eats his breakfast before leaving for work. They, to the park every Sunday. They go to the park every Sunday. They, to the gym yesterday. They went to the gym yesterday. They, a new house next year. They buy a new house next year. He, his hair every morning. He brushes his hair every morning. He, a new book every week. He reads a new book every week. He, his keys on the table. He leaves his keys on the table. We, dinner at 7 o'clock last night. We had dinner at 7 o'clock last night. The flowers, in the garden. The flowers bloom in the garden. The children, to school by bus. The children go to school by bus. He, his breakfast at 8 o'clock. He has his breakfast at 8 o'clock. He, his homework before dinner. He does his homework before dinner. They, soccer every Saturday. They play soccer every Saturday. He, a new car next month. He buys a new car next month. They, to the zoo last weekend. They went to the zoo last weekend. We, our friends yesterday. We met our friends yesterday. The cat, on the windowsill. The cat lies on the windowsill. They, their vacation last month. They planned their vacation last month. He, his car every weekend. He washes his car every weekend. They, their homework after dinner. They do their homework after dinner. He, a book from the library yesterday. He borrowed a book from the library yesterday. They, a picnic at the park next weekend. They have a picnic at the park next weekend. He, his phone in his bag. He puts his phone in his bag. He, to work by car. He goes to work by car. They, the bus to school every morning. They take the bus to school every morning. They, their lunch at 12 o'clock. They have their lunch at 12 o'clock. The birds, in the sky. The birds fly in the sky. He, his bike to work every day. He rides his bike to work every day. He, his lunch at noon. He has his lunch at noon. He, to the store every Saturday. He goes to the store every Saturday. We, our friends yesterday. We met our friends yesterday. They, their vacation last summer. They took their vacation last summer. He, a new language online. He learns a new language online. He, his friends after school. He meets his friends after school. He, a new car last year. He bought a new car last year. That's all for this English quiz lesson. Don't forget to leave a comment with your score and any suggestions for future videos. Subscribe to Learn English Plus for more educational content. So keep practicing and happy learning.